Paano natin malalaman ang purpose ng ating buhay bago tayo mamatay? Meron dalawang napakahalagang dapat natin malaman sa ating buhay. Number one, the day we born, yung isinilang tayo dito sa mundo. And number two, the day we find out why we are born here on earth. At ang nakakalungkot sa kwento ng ating buhay, kinuha na lamang ni Lord pero hindi na-discover yung purpose ng ating buhay. At ngayong araw na ito yung isi-share ko sa inyo how to find the purpose in our life before we die in a very simple way. Number one, know your passion. Alamin daw natin kung ano yung love to do natin. Yung bang kahit hindi tayo bayaran, kahit abutin tayo ng hating gabi, madaling araw, yung energy natin nandyan. We love to do it. Number two, know our potential. Saan ba tayo magaling? Saan ba tayo nag-i-excel? At paano natin ito malalaman? Malalaman natin ito sa ating mga kaibigan o sa mga katrabaho. Yung bang meron kang ginawa tapos sinabi nila, wow, ang galing naman ng ginawa mo, na-inspired kami sa ginawa mo. Tingnan natin yun. Baka yun yung potential natin. And once we discover our potential, develop it and focus on it. And number three, peso. Turn our passion and potential into money. Why? To support our living. Paano tayo mabubuhay? Number two, to support our family. Number three, to support others. And number four, to support the ministry of the church. Ako, ang passion ko ay inspiring people. My potential is teaching. My purpose in life is to educating, to inspire people. So yung passion plus potential plus peso equals purpose in our life. Once we discover our purpose in life, we fulfill the life that God given to us here on earth. And we are the happiest person here on earth. To know more about how to find our purpose in life before we die, comment below. Live God, design life. Kailan natin dapat maabot ang financial freedom? Kapag bata pa o kapag matanda na? Tama, kapag bata pa. Kaya't bilisan natin na makarating sa financial freedom kasi sa buhay natin mayroong tatlong if na pwedeng mangyari. So ang ating goal ngayon ay makarating tayo sa stage 4 o sa financial freedom ng mabilis. Paano? Understand how money works. Ano at saan yan? Kaya't iniimbitahan kita na umattend ng aming free financial literacy class. Mamaya ng 2 p.m. at 6:45 p.m. mayroon kaming free financial literacy class. Mamaya attend ka. Message mo lang ako sa aking personal Facebook account.